Hey, how's it going? Michael Jones here with M&S Online Marketing, and today I want to share with you a video about affiliate marketing for beginners and the 5 questions you should ask yourself before choosing to promote a program. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and if you're interested in making money online, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel because on this channel I'll be sharing with you some of my best tips and strategies on how to start and grow an online business, how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, how to get traffic, leads, and sales to your business. And my main goal on this channel is to educate, inspire, and motivate you to live a prosperous life that you and your family deserve. So, one of the 5 questions that we should ask ourselves before we start to promote an affiliate program or before we promote an affiliate product or service. We should ask some questions first before we get into it and dive into just starting to try to make money online. And I see and I know and I've been a victim of a lot of people that just start to promote a program, they partner with a program, and it may not be the right program to partner with, but they're so eager to make money online, and they don't ask themselves these questions before choosing to partner with the company. So I just want to get into it right quick here. I want to dive right into it and make this short and sweet to the point here of the 5 questions you should ask yourself, and avoid these mistakes by asking, does the program have product value? You want to ask yourself, does the product provide any value, and do people actually want to buy that product that you're trying to promote or service? Like, you want to make sure that whatever it is that you have to offer is something that somebody would want. It's something that is in a high demand, and it's actually a product that can help somebody solve a problem. You know, you don't want to just be out there promoting any and everything just to make some sales or just to make some money. You want to find a product that actually has quality value inside of it, and it's a product that's something that somebody is looking for. So that's the first question: is ask, is there value in that product? Also ask if that product have any profit margins. You want to make sure that that it's high enough profits for you to earn commissions with each sale. You don't want to just be earning measly cents on the dollar, or a couple coins or a couple dollars on whatever it is that you're trying to promote. Because you want to make sure that it doesn't take you a ton of sales to make a desired income that you're looking for. So one of the things you want to look for is to make sure that you're able to earn big commissions. And so that's one of the reasons why I like to promote high ticket products that I can be able to earn anywhere from couple dollars into a sale all the way up to two and three and even $4,000 or $5,000 per sale. So you want to make sure whatever it is that you're looking for, you're able to earn a pretty decent profit margin on there, because you're taking your time and you're promoting this product. So you're taking out your time, you're taking out your efforts, you're taking out any money that you have to use to run your business and promote this product. So you want to make sure that you're getting paid for your efforts. And one of the ways to do that is by promoting high ticket offers. Also, you want to know about the tracking. Does the company have good tracking links? Meaning, do you are you able to get paid on each purchase the customer that you refer makes? So some companies that pay you for a person that only buys on the front end, and anything else that they may buy, you may not earn any commissions off of. So you want to make sure you partner with a program that tracking link, your tracking links will track back any person you refer that clicked on that link. Any customer that makes a purchase, you're able to get paid on the front end and on the back end for the lifetime of that customer. So you want to, choose a product or service or a program that allows you to be able to do that. You don't want to just get paid on the front end. You want to get paid for all of your marketing efforts, and you want to make sure you get paid on every single thing that they purchase. It's a lot of companies that have upsells and that have products that they sell to them down the line. And if you're not earning on that, that's not good, because you're the one that referred them and you're the one that brought them into that program. You should get paid on the front end and on the back end. So make sure to look for that when you're choosing your next program to promote. Also, you want to look for marketing material. This is one of the biggest things out there for sure. Do they provide you with the necessary tools to be successful with your marketing? I was always a type of person that worked for people that I've always wanted to have the tools to be successful. I believed in my work ethic, and I knew that I could be the best at whatever it is that I was doing, but I needed to have the right tools in place to be able to do that. And so when you're choosing your marketing program to promote, you want to make sure that you have exactly what it is that you need, such as sales funnels, such as like email swipes. And you may want to tweak these up, but you want to make sure that you have this provided to you. Sales funnels, emails, swipes, banners to be able to put on your websites or on other websites. You want to make sure you have all it is that you need to be successful. Video sales letter, high converting video sales letter, so that when you send the prospect to the company and have them sell for you, you want to make sure that that video sales letter or that video or even that written copy is a high converting copy. You know, you want to make sure that it's a high converting offer and that you're able to make sales easily, or more effectively with the tools that they provide for you. If they don't provide any of these things for you, then it's a good sign that you may want to choose a different product to promote or a different program or service to partner with before you start promoting it. And then last but not least is integrity. Do the company have a great reputation? Do they treat their affiliates the right way? Do you get paid on time? This is very important before you choose a program to promote. You want to make sure they are of integrity. You want to make sure that that they're a reputable company, that they have been in business for a while, that they have known to treat their employees the right way and care for them and to pay them on time. I would not want to partner with a company that does not value their affiliates, some of the people that is getting them to where they at today. A lot of companies, they look for affiliates like us to promote their products and services because, one, they may not be as effective doing it. They're not marketers. They're just a company owner. So they're looking for us as marketers to put their name or their product or their service out there. So essentially, we're building their brand as long as building our brand as well. But you want to make sure that they have your best interests at heart. You want to make sure they're taking care of you. You want to make sure they're not cheating you out of any money. And you want to make sure that they're paying their affiliates on time. So these are the 5 questions you want to ask yourself before choosing a program. And I wish I had got this knowledge before I started promoting programs. I wish I had these 5 things to check off to see before choosing my next affiliate program to promote. I was so big and easy on just trying to make money that I didn't ask myself, what would it take for me to be able to make money? You know what I'm saying? So my question to you is if you're interested in making money online, if you're interested in online marketing, if you're interested in starting to grow your online business, do me a favor and click the link in the description below, the first link in the description below, and get access to the same training that allowed me to start and grow my online business. It's the same training that allowed me to be able to leave my job and to be able to be a stay-at-home dad and care for my 2 boys. Also, it's the same program that I was able to check off all 5 of these questions, and I knew it was a quality product. I knew I was able to earn high profit margins all the way up to $5,000. I knew it would track back every sale that the customer purchased. I knew I would make money off of every single product that they bought from this company. It gives me all of the marketing materials that I need, and it's a company of high integrity. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, do me a favor and click the link in the description below and get access to this same program that I am promoting, this same program and education that has allowed me to start and grow my online business. I want to say thanks for your time. Congratulations for taking the first step and watching this video and actually taking action and starting to grow your online business. I want to say thanks again for watching this, and God bless you. Have a great day.